All right, hi guys. This quick video is how to find an open house, how to print a flyer, and well, obviously, find an open house, ask permission to hold it open, and then print a flyer. So you're going to log into the MLS and go to Matrix. And then from Matrix, you're going to do a search. Single family general is my preferred search. You're going to select active, and then right down here where it says list and co-list office ID, you're going to put in 9385, which is our office ID. And then depending on the criteria, if you prefer vacant, a particular price point, you can put that in here as well. And then you're going to locate an open house that looks like a good one. When you have, let's pick this one here. Well, that is a gated property, and sometimes gated properties are a little more difficult to hold open, but this one actually might be a good one. Look at it. That's pretty nice. So what I would do is I would click on the primary listing broker's name, that's Aaron Hunter, and then copy his email address, and then go into my email and compose a message to Aaron and just say open house for, and then you're going to grab the address of that property and drop that in a new email, and then just say, hi, it's Rebecca from the office. Would it be possible to hold this listing open, and then just put Sunday 1 to 3 or whatever time you want. Thanks so much, Rebecca. And then hit send. And then he will respond back and let you know if you can or you can't. If he gets back to you and says, yes, you may, then you're just going to click this button right up here next to the address and then go down to the print options and then flyer. Flyer is the one you want. Print to PDF. Now all the listing information from that listing is put onto a flyer and your contact information has been added to it, and it looks like this. So Keller Williams, all the information, your contact information will show down below. Print off a couple of those and you are all set to hold an open house. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day.